Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Safari and navigating directly to the Apple ID sign-up page. This saves time and avoids app redirects. Once there, tap Create your Apple ID and enter an email you control. Make sure you choose a strong password that meets complexity rules. This protects purchases and iCloud. You'll also input your full name and a reachable phone number for verification. This first step sets identity and security. Proceed carefully, because these details verify your account across Apple services. Next, focus on the detailed fields. Type your email again, create and confirm the strong password, and add your date of birth for age verification. Then choose security questions you can reliably answer. These help recover access later, plus optionally add a recovery email. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you are not a bot, then click Continue. Safari will prompt to send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter that code promptly to validate the contact method and move toward account creation. Finally, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email and review the terms and conditions. Agree to proceed. Once confirmed, Safari will log you into the new Apple ID. Make sure to sign in on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to enable iCloud, App Store, and other syncing. You can skip adding payment now and add a card later in account settings. If something goes wrong, retry the code, check spam folders, or request a new code. These quick fixes resolve most verification hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.